It's a nice day after the blow and hoolie yesterday. So we're going to take the dog for a walk and David's going to finally get to go play with his new toy. There you go. That's it. We've been frozen out. Yeah. We're going home. After the vengeance of the weather last night, we woke up to a nice day, haven't we?
Very nice. Viewed through a filthy windscreen.
Well, we're on the hunt to try and find some place where David can send his drone up. So we live 5 minutes away from the airport. So since we've been back, the weather's not been the best, has it?
No.
No. So today's the first day that we can actually go out and David to try the drone. So the dog needs a walk. So we're going to go out and try to find some place that you can send your toy up. And hopefully it's not in a restricted airspace. But we're going to the south of the island, but then we're going west, southwest-ish, away from the flight path anyway of the planes. So we'll see you in a minute. That's looking toward Port St. Mary. So we've come up to the area known as the Sloc on the island. You have to come past Port Erin, and it's going towards Peel along the west coast of the island. Winnie's all excited. She wants to go run around. So I'll just turn the camera around so you can see the countryside. So that's looking towards Castletown. And David's there getting the drone ready. And that's looking toward Port St. Mary. Port Erin's on the other right-hand side of this bay area. It's a bit brisk and cool. It's time for a hat. It's cold. Now to see if it'll take off in this area, huh?
Yep.
Is it going to work?
Oh, yeah. Find out soon.
So what kind of drone do you have?
DJI Mavic Pro.
I don't have to put my gloves on. My hands are freezing. I tell you, the change in the weather from yesterday is absolutely like day and night. It was gale force winds, rain. It was horrible. We've come up to Bradda Head, which is near Port Erin. See if we can get a couple shots over the bay. There you go.
Yesterday was my favorite place, but today I don't see nobody. All alone, no familiar face. Need someone to be right beside me. 7 days and 20 hours since you left. Different ways, your voice still popping in my chest. And I still hope, I hope you're coming back soon. You're coming back soon. Take me to another place where the fairy tales don't end. Magical, magical land, magical, magical land. To another place where the fairy tales don't end. Magical, magical land, magical, magical land. Magical land, magical land, magical dreaming about those days with you. I can't stand that you ain't here with me. My life's a mess all because of you. Need you now to be right beside me. 7 days and 20 hours since you left. Different ways, your voice still popping in my chest. And I still hope, I hope you're coming back soon. You're coming back soon. Take me to another place where the fairy tales don't end. Magical, magical land, magical, magical land. To another place where the fairy tales don't end. Magical, magical land, magical, magical land. Magical land, magical land, magical land, magical land.
That's it. We've been frozen out.
Yeah.
We're going home. Bit cold, isn't it?
No, it's not a bit cold. It's a hell of a lot cold.
Kind cup of tea time. For a hot toddy. Okay, we'll get this all sorted out and get it uploaded and see what the drone footage is like. Hopefully it's good.
Good tip. Don't fly your drone with low sunshine because you can lose track of it.
You're a bit sunblind.
Yeah.
Whew, right.